what's up YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be straight piping the Audi. It's finally time. A lot of you have been asking for it. I did a little poll on Instagram and everyone wanted to do it, so today we're going to be doing it. This is what it sounds like right now. Oh my god, it's already so loud and it's about to get louder. So yeah, I'm going to make my way over to the exhaust shop right now and I'll see you guys when I get there. So we are now back. It is the next day. The Audi is fully straight piped. I am extremely happy with how it turned out. I went with the Akrapovic tips because I think they look the best. They suit the car the most. They're the most popular exhaust brand in Europe. So this is what they look like. I think it looks pretty nice. I like how the tips stick out a little bit. It does just need a quick wash. So I am going to put a few sound clips up of what it sounds like. So enjoy. Yeah, boy. So now, what are my thoughts on straight piping this car? Personally, I think it sounds amazing. I believe it is the best sounding exhaust setup you can get for this car. I have ARM Motorsport mid pipes, so a resonator delete. Then I replaced the mid muffler with a ECS X pipe. And then there is no mufflers, no resonators, that's it, full straight pipe from that. I like how it's not raspy and there is absolutely no drone. The X pipe completely cancels out any drone, which is also a big plus. Personally, I think it sounds great. It's not obnoxiously loud unless you're really getting on it. I know that V8s have a tendency to be really drony and raspy, which surprisingly this one isn't. It's fairly quiet too. Even the guys at the shop were like, it's surprisingly quiet for a full straight pipe. So we might have to do some catless downpipes. But yeah, so what are my next steps for this car? I think the next step is either going to be, like I said, downpipes, going stage 2 on the car, or another direction I could take it is adding more power with bigger turbos, a new intercooler, a heat exchanger. But yeah, guys, let me know what you want to see next. But yeah, that's all I have for you. Hope you enjoyed the video, and take care.